Welcome to our Flask programming course. We'll cover the essentials of web development with Flask, a lightweight and friendly web framework. First, we'll introduce Flask and set up your environment for web development. Then, we'll explore the project structure, ensuring you know how to organize your Flask projects. We'll dive into basic routing and URL variables, showing you how to create dynamic and flexible routes. Serving static files will be covered next, teaching you how to include images, CSS, and JavaScript. We'll introduce Jinja 2 templates, showing you how to render dynamic content. You'll learn about template inheritance for reusable and maintainable templates. Handling forms is crucial, so we'll guide you through creating and validating forms using WT forms, ensuring your forms are robust and user-friendly. Database querying will be covered, teaching you how to extract data efficiently. We'll set up user registration, login, and logout functionality, and discuss password hashing and security practices to protect user data. Using blueprints, we'll structure your application for better organization. Setting up configuration files and managing environment variables will ensure your app is secure and flexible. Before deployment, we'll prepare your app, covering error handling to keep it robust. Serving static files in production and managing media uploads will complete your toolkit. Let's start this exciting journey into Flask programming. Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.